Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we shall look at the Mistral AI review. Now, Mistral is an AI software. You can use it, guys, just as any other AI, for example, Gemini or ChatGPT. Now, you can see, guys, that we are on Trustpilot and we're going to see some of the reviews. But according to what you see, guys, the reviews are kind of poor. It says 2.4. 2.4, and obviously Trustpilot rates it as poor reviews. Now you can see, guys, that you can come over here and read some of the reviews. Now mind you, guys, that Trustpilot is the trusted review website in a country or in the whole world. So let's go and see this review by Mike. So Mike says, sadly, this AI tool is not great as a heading. And guys, take note, this review was put 7 hours ago. He says, sadly, this AI tool is not great, gives poorly considered answers to basic questions. You can see, guys, basic questions, gives useless links to websites that are US based and useless, just generally very poor. 1 star. Now, this tells you what this AI is all about. Now, this one gives it a good review. This person here, um, this person is called Ben Wishiasak. He says worthy European perspective AI. Now, this one is kind of biased if he says European perspective AI. So, what about people in other regions? So, we shall see this other review. This one says genuinely useless. He's not happy with it, and he's been using it for 2 years. So basically, guys, it's not a good AI tool I could recommend you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.